Hey guys, welcome to week 12 of English 95 and 96. That means that we are starting our fourth essay this week, which is crazy because we only have this one and one more, and then we're finished and we just have to submit our portfolios. Crazy. So I hope you guys are hanging in there. I decided to just walk you through a couple things on Blackboard for this week. So we're going to start a new essay, and just like before, anytime we have a new essay, you're going to find that information under essays over here to the left. So we're going to go over here. You'll see a new folder has popped up called Essay 4, Problems and Solutions. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. The first thing I want you to look at is the Essay 4 assignment sheet. So I've already downloaded it over here. But a couple things, it's going to be 2 to 4 pages, just like our previous essays. And then make sure you read through this assignment, choosing a problem and solutions. So it says here for our fourth essay, we're writing about a problem you've experienced as a student at SWIC and how it might be solved. So it's important to choose something you've experienced or witnessed personally and something that you can see a solution for. Okay. Make sure here it talks about choosing a specific problem. So in our outline, you're going to walk through these questions like when did it begin? What are the causes? Who's affected by it? And then what are the effects? Then you're going to talk about a solution. So what would your solution look like? Who would be responsible for it? And what would SWIC need to do to make this a reality? So this is a different essay in that you're still using your personal experience to talk about a problem and a solution, but this one is probably going to be the most objective of our essays, meaning the most like not personal, okay? But I still want you to use anything you've witnessed or you've observed to support your ideas, okay? So once I've read this, I want you to go back to Blackboard and check out our discussion board for this week, which is like we did last week, your new writing journal. So I was really happy with your guys' writing journals for this week. I really enjoyed reading all of your responses and responding back. So you're going to go ahead and click discussion board just like we did before. And then there's going to be two new threads here, one called Student Guide Chapter 2, and then Are You a Procrastinator, which I think all of us can probably relate to. So make sure that you click on both of these. So you're going to see, it looks like this one didn't load correctly, so I'll look at the other. You're going to see, just like last week, there's going to be the reading and then some questions down here. If you don't have access to your textbook, these readings are all on Blackboard here under Readings and Student Guide, okay? So make sure that you do the discussion board first. When you're finished with that, go back to our essays folder for essay 4, and you're going to complete this essay 4 outline for Sunday. So I don't want you to work on your draft yet because that might be getting a little ahead of yourself, but I would like you to work on this outline. So I pulled up this outline already, and what you're going to do, I'm just going to walk you through an example that I did. So this first part is where you want to make a list of a few kind of issues you've had at SPIC. So I made a list here: lack of food and coffee, not enough signs, access to laptops, common area, and then I'm going to choose one of these that I feel like I have experience with, right? So I came down and chose lack of coffee as my problem, okay? And then I thought about, oh, when did this begin? Well, it began this year for me. I think that we have some free coffee, right? But we could use more variety. So then we can think about what are the causes of this problem? Well, maybe there's a lack of funds. Maybe we don't know where we would have a coffee shop. Maybe we need permission from the school. And then I came down and thought about, okay, who or what is affected by this problem? All right, so just like I have here, you're going to go through and take your problem and just type in some basic ideas about it. And then when you get further down, it'll ask you about the solution. Okay, so this is really going to walk you step by step through how to write your essay 4. Okay, I would really like you guys to do this first before we start your draft next week. Okay, so please let me know if you have any problems, and I will be available by email, by phone.